company want to know how much money they will get in total. In that case, we need to use integral. Example, just imagine we have company that begin to sell smartphones that cost $1,000 each. And the first day of sales, they sell 5 smartphones. Now we can make a formula. 5,000, which means the revenue of the company from the first day, minus 200t, where 5,000 it's a revenue from the 5 smartphones. 5 multiplied on 1,000 will be 5,000. And minus 200t, it's a correlation to the marketing expenses, competitor prices, discounts, or just hype for the new phone is over and people begin to test this smartphone. But how can we calculate total revenue for the period? For example, how much money we will get after 5 days? Well, we can take an integral out of this formula. Integral from 5,000, it's 5,000t, because we need to add a variable. So integral from 5,000, it will be 5,000t, minus integral of 200t. Integral of minus 200t is minus 200 divided by 2, it will be minus 100. And we need to increment t exponent by 1. So t in the power of 1 plus 1, it will be t in the power of 2. So the integrated formula will be 5,000t minus 100t in the power of 2. We can also check if we integrate correctly by taking derivative. Great. But how can we use this formula to find how much money we will get after 5 days? Well, we need to replace t first by 5 and then by 0 and then subtract these results. 5,000 multiply on 5 minus 100 multiply on 5 in the power of 2 minus 5,000 multiply on 0 minus 100 multiply on 0 in the power of 2. And the final result, 22,500. What does it mean? After 5 days of selling smartphones and after increased marketing expenses and decreasing customer interest to the smartphone, total accumulated revenue of the company will be $22,500.